Why was Hadrian's Wall a Roman engineering marvel? Imagine a wall stretching across a landscape so vast it could be seen from space. That's what Hadrian's Wall was, an incredible feat of Roman engineering built to control and defend. It was not just a barrier but a complex system designed to keep the Roman Empire secure in Britain. The Romans started building it in the year 122 after Christ, under Emperor Hadrian's orders. Their goal was to mark the boundary of the empire and prevent raids from tribes in the north. The wall was made mainly from stone, standing about 15 feet high and 6 to 10 feet wide. The Romans laid a strong foundation in trenches to keep it stable. They used lime mortar and concrete, which made the wall tough enough to survive harsh weather and the test of time. The concrete was made with pozzolanic cement and carefully chosen sands, giving the wall flexibility and durability. This was important because the frontier needed to last for many years without falling apart. Strategically, the wall was part of a bigger defensive plan. It was paired with deep ditches and earth mounds that made crossing difficult. Along the wall, the Romans built 16 large forts, each about 7 miles apart. These forts allowed soldiers to move quickly and defend the border effectively. Between the forts, there were smaller structures called mile castles every mile, giving soldiers checkpoints along the way. Watchtowers or turrets were placed between mile castles, so soldiers could keep watch and send signals fast. The Romans also added the vallum, a large earthwork south of the wall. It was made of a ditch flanked by mounds, making it even harder for enemies to breach the boundary. The vallum had steep sides and flat bottoms in its trenches, which helped with drainage and kept the earthwork stable. This shows how skilled the Romans were at earthworks and engineering. From the point of view of Roman rule, Hadrian's Wall was more than just a physical barrier. It was a way to control movement, stop raids, and show Roman power. The construction was carefully planned, with teams of workers assigned specific tasks. They used timber ramparts first, then replaced them with stone where materials were available. This flexibility helped them build faster and better. The Romans also used clever architectural techniques like arches and vaults in gateways and forts. These features distributed weight well, making the structures last longer. The keystone arch was especially useful because it could hold heavy loads without collapsing. This engineering mastery helped the wall stand for centuries. In the end, Hadrian's Wall was a marvel because it combined smart building methods, military strategy, and practical materials. It was built to last and to serve as a symbol of Roman strength and control. It showed how the empire used infrastructure and military power together to keep its borders secure and maintain authority over distant lands.